Hey, what up, man? Not much. It's good to see you. It's good to see you. Good friend of mine. So, I've had this cough for a while. It's been killing me, man. It has been killing me for a little while. Now this is Farwell. This is another street that I am prominent on. I was waiting for my friend Jay to get me some stuff, my stuff, which I will do in front of you again. It's just me who's going to be watching this, and anyone I trust. Or if I lose this, someone's going to see this guy. Probably will be like, damn, I want to fuck him. Hopefully they're not gay. Hopefully they're cute. It's a really beautiful day. Man. It's a beautiful day. Look at how beautiful it is at the sky. I love filming, man. This is a blessing having this back in my life. Foot kick. Dark. Yeah, I really wish I had more to say. I mean, I actually will have something to say when I'm doing my shot, if anything, you know? Yeah.